SSO came back to us with their comments. They preferred this boxed up coloured scheme of our infographic.
Hi, I'm Irving. I'm a second-year law student studying at the National University of Singapore.
Hi, I'm Jing Xuan. I'm a Year 2 Pharmaceutical Science student in NUS.
ComLink is about providing holistic and coordinated support for families with young children living in public rental housing. We hope that through ComLink, families are able to achieve stability, self-reliance and ultimately social mobility. The ComLink team benefited greatly from the good work of the earlier batch of NUS volunteers. I think it would be good to have NUS students from different faculties because they can bring in different perspectives and fresh ideas to the ComLink team and how they can help.
My friends and I were looking forward to work with families and children as part of our involvement in a community project. When we received this opportunity to work with SSO at Ang Mo Kio, we were excited to embark on this project with them.
I do have a heart for projects involving children and youth, so I was really excited to see how we can contribute to this cause.
Because of COVID, a lot of in-person activities had to be put on hold, but their adaptability, positivity and creativity made the contributions possible. So that's how the Ang Mo Kio Town Directory and videos were produced.
The most significant challenge when embarking on this project was dealing with the constant restriction changes due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We were not able to carry out our initial plans to interact and conduct surveys with the residents.
For the senior citizens in particular, I feel that the different variety of activities provided for them, having a senior activity center.
One of the projects that we embarked on was creating a catalogue for the residents at Ang Mo Kio. We tried to compile a concise list of needs and services that they can have access to and relevant contact details.
I was assigned the instructional video for volunteers, but it was quite a struggle for me because I wasn't sure what was expected of the video. Eventually, I managed to arrange a Zoom meeting with the SSO staff, and they were guiding me through the storyline. They helped me with the content, what images to include. I managed to make a video that is short and very straightforward for the volunteers. Other than the instructions on how to conduct the survey, I actually included one more section on role play between the client and the volunteer.
The viewer-friendly video that Jing Xuan mentioned is used to train our community partners and volunteers on how to conduct remote needs assessment. It is also complemented by an eye-catching, step-by-step infographic on how to conduct the needs assessment survey. Not to mention the Ang Mo Kio Town Directory, which we have shared with over 50 community partners.
One significant takeaway from this project was empathy. Throughout our research on the needs of the residents at Ang Mo Kio, we realized that they face a lot of challenges on a day-to-day basis. And we wanted to ensure that the volunteers working with SSO have an easier time to communicate and understand their needs. I hope that SSO and Ang Mo Kio would develop a sustainable model to help the residents in this vicinity, and I hope that the residents would receive the best support that they can get.
I really do hope that the Ang Mo Kio community benefit from our project, and the instructional video will make volunteer work less daunting as well for the new volunteers at SSO.
I'm a ComLink Engagement Officer. Together with you, we can make a real difference to ComLink families. Everybody can play a part. Let's journey with the families and ensure that no one is left behind.